My house needs a really good clean, but I don't have much time today, so I'm going to try and challenge myself to do it in 1 hour. Alright, I'm going to set this timer for 1 hour. Let's go. For the kitchen because it always seems to take the longest, so let's try and get it done. seconds left. I'd say we did a pretty good job. But there are a few things that I didn't get to. This is gonna be so satisfying to see this timer go off. 1 hour of cleaning done. And we did majority of the house. The only things that I didn't get to that I would have liked to is this giant pile of washing here. And I also thought I'd have enough time to scrub the shower, but I clearly did not. I would say that was so successful. So hopefully that gave you a bit of cleaning motivation. I'm very sweaty. I feel like I haven't run around and cleaned like that in a really long time, but I reckon you could get like the majority of the house done in an hour. My dogs are going crazy. So hopefully that motivated you a little bit to, oh, my dogs are going crazy. My puppy is still learning to use the doggy door and it's so funny. He like punches it in. Anyway, off topic. Yeah, hopefully this gave you a bit of cleaning motivation. I'll show you some of the products I use because I feel like you don't really need to spend expensive. Like the ones I have at the moment are from Aldi and they work just fine. Like I'm sure there are other products out there that work even better, but let me show you what I use. So ideally I wouldn't have plastic, but essentially I just use this Green Action multi-purpose one that you can get from Aldi, and this one I'm pretty sure is also from Aldi. It's just like regular glass cleaner. Yeah, later down the track I'd like to get ones that are not plastic and they have like refillable things. But yeah, thank you so much for watching and I will see you in my next video very, very soon. Bye!